Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation error code CE-36329-3. And this is a problem with your system software. So what we want to do is go to settings right here, and we want to just see if there is an update. And then we're going to apply a fresh copy of the system software. So let's go to System Software Update under Settings. And it looks like I have the latest version. So you might have an update. Now, if nothing is in there, we want to hold down the PlayStation button, go down to Power, go to the right, and go to Turn Off PS4. And we're going to launch this into the safe mode, where we can apply a fresh copy. So if our system software is an issue, we can just redo it. So when this turns black now, going down to your PlayStation, and we need to plug it in, our controller, with this cable. So you can see I have this cable plugged in, and it's all the way to my controller now. We need this to operate the safe mode menu. So once our PlayStation is off, there's no light, hold this down, the power button, you'll hear one beep initially, and then maybe 5 to 10 seconds later, you'll hear a second beep. So I heard that second beep, I'm gonna let go. My controller, I'm gonna need to press the PlayStation button now to operate the safe mode menu. So if we go up, let's go to my screen now. Let's press the PlayStation button. Then, under the screen, go on down to where it says option number 3. Update system software. Then go down to option number 3, using internet. So if you don't have an internet connection, you can download this with a USB storage from PlayStation.com. It might take a little time to find out where to get it, but you can find it. Then go to option number 3, update using internet. And this will apply a fresh copy of the system software to your PlayStation, and you should be good to go with this. So you can see version 12.52. Before on the screen on the system settings didn't allow me to do anything, but now it will. So that should be good on here. Now another thing you want to try is under the menu here, go on down to option number 5, where it says rebuild database, and then just go under here. And if you have any kind of issue with your hard drive, rebuilding the database should fix any kind of corrupted data. So it may take you like maybe 3 to 4 minutes to go ahead and do this, but it'll make your PS4 run better. So if you've never done this before, make sure you do this too. So get a fresh copy and then rebuild the database, and you should be good to go on your PlayStation 4. So this is going to restart, and it's going to bring you to a screen that's blue, and it'll give you an estimated amount of time. So it'll take me about 10 seconds. So your PS4 will run better. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.